right, we are back for episode 46. Man, it feels like we haven't been in here in a while. I don't know why.
Did you have a nice day yesterday?
It was okay. It was not too bad, but hopefully all of you guys had a good 4th of July weekend.
Yeah, wasn't the best
or
weather.
Weekday, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully you got the day off from work like we did. But yeah, weather kind of sucked a little bit, but
it did. But day off's a day off.
True. Very
So,
true.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July. Back to reality, kind of. So in the middle of the week here, glad to be back on another Wednesday episode of Race Choice Live, episode 46, like Andrew said. And Andrew, we have some exciting news to talk about today.
Yeah,
I think,
we do.
If you saw over, I don't want to say over the weekend, but because it's already Wednesday, but past couple days on Race Choice, we are doing another VIP experience giveaway. It's going to be the same thing, same rules apply, I would assume, with your entries and stuff like that. But this time, it's going to be to Phoenix, Arizona.
Phoenix, Arizona for championship weekend.
Yes.
That's a pretty big deal. So, it's that race usually always sells out. So it's not very easy to get tickets for that race.
It's not.
Obviously, all 3 series will be there. So
Yep.
Trucks, Xfinity, Cup. So definitely going to be a exciting weekend. Obviously, some spending cash. Flights are paid. Airfare is paid for. Your hotel is paid for as well. So overall, going to be a great weekend, and a meet and greet with Stewart Haas Racing and Ryan Preece.
Yep. So that is the first week of November is the race. I believe it's November 5th. I believe that's the Cup race. But you will for the whole weekend it's Truck, Xfinity, and Cup Series.
Check that out. July is 25 multiplier.
Yeah.
That's pretty huge. So August is 10, and then September is 5. So I know we did the high multipliers at first in the last giveaway, and then kind of dropped down. So you definitely want to get those purchases in as soon as possible to get as many entries as you can to hopefully win the giveaway.
Yeah, absolutely. And we, as always, we want to look at here. Definitely avoid the scammers. Andrew did a good job talking about that to you guys previously. So our second time around, there's going to be scammers again. Hopefully not. Ones that we have to keep taking action about, but it does happen, unfortunately. So keep an eye out for them, and do not contact if they send you any links or ask for your personal information. We will never do that. We will never comment and say you are the winner. So anything like that, just look out for.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you guys have any questions at all about the giveaway or anything, reach out to one of us on Facebook or reach out to our Race Choice Facebook page. Obviously, speaking of Facebook page and social media, if you follow some of our social media pages, I know it gets you some extra entries into the giveaway. So definitely read into that. But to find out all the rules and everything else that goes with it, make sure to read up on our website for everything that you need to know.
Yeah. So we did some racing this past weekend.
Yeah, we did do some racing this past weekend. Joe, talk about it a little bit.
Yeah, it was fun. I don't know. I got to race against Andrew for a short while, but no, it really started off as a pretty good day. Went down to the Speed Bowl Saturday morning and rented the track, so I was there from around 10 to noon practicing before everyone showed up. Car showed some good speed, and then pretty good in practice. I think first round Andrew was top of the charts, and I was a close second.
I think we were 1-2 by not too much, so it was definitely good.
So the heat race kind of got boxed in the back. I had to start last in the heat. I knew it was going to start deep anyway, so started 10th in the feature, and 6 laps in, a piece of debris, but now it's confirmed that it was a piece of lead from the car in front of me, flew off and hit my carburetor, knocking me out. So just bad luck continues, but I think we showed some really good speed during the day, and for what it was worth, the 6 laps in the race.
We need people to send the 4-leaf clover emoji in the chat right now, or in comment 4-leaf clover, or just tag Joey with a 4-leaf clover, or pick one out of your garden or your yard, or buy one on eBay, something, and give it to Joey, because you have like the worst luck of all time.
Yeah.
Like, it's horrible. So hopefully
car's in one piece.
Yeah, car's one piece. Carburetor not so much, but the car is, so that's good. But hopefully you can get that turned around, man. I've been it sucks. It's part of it, unfortunately.
Right. So and I kind of want to talk about what's over my shoulder here. I was able to put one on, so I'll turn around at the same time. Andrew, go ahead, talk about.
Check that out. So we actually just got ourselves some new Race Choice T-shirts. I'm not sure if they're available online yet, but
Soon.
definitely soon. Thank you very much to Critical Screen Printing and Diego Monahan for the pretty cool shirt design. Once again, obviously the ones that we've had the last couple of years are cool too, and these ones definitely are pretty amazing as well. So if you're interested in picking up a Race Choice shirt, reach out to us and we'll hook you up and get you one. And appreciate. We always like seeing everyone walking around the pit area with a nice Race Choice T-shirt. So definitely pretty cool as well. But,
They are available.
Perfect. Look at that.
1995.
So, look at that. That's pretty awesome. And you can get yourself 25 times multiplier buying that.
You could.
That's a lot of entries right there.
And speaking of, getting some entries and, getting some shirts, Tavern on the Tracks next Thursday with Ryan Priest. So, there'll be some Race Choice, some Race Choice swag there, if you will. And we're going to be excited to talk to Ryan and stuff like that. So that is also the night of the SRX race.
And where is that, Joe?
So Tavern on the Tracks is, I've never been there before, but it is in Berlin, Connecticut, Ryan's hometown.
I believe they were on his truck at one point, weren't they?
They were, I believe, maybe
the hood,
for the Charlotte race.
Okay.
So, I know Ryan does a lot for his hometown in Berlin, and they do a lot giving back to him. So, stay tuned for that. We'll have some more information on that leading up probably by the end of this week. So.
Perfect.
Yep.
Should be a good time for sure.
Yeah, because Loudon is the end of next weekend.
Absolutely.
So a couple NASCAR drivers, or I should say a few NASCAR drivers are going to be up here next Thursday because the SRX, like you said, Tony Stewart will be up here, Denny Hamlin, some really good names, Brad Keselowski, Clint Boyer, all that.
Yep.
So,
without further ado, we have ourselves a table full of some sunglasses in front of us here today.
Yeah.
So, Joe, why don't you start us off down on your end?
Yeah. So me and Andrew would like to start off with
one of our
favorite models.
One of our favorite models.
Gas can models.
And why is that one of our favorite models?
Well, a very loyal Race Choice driver and customer, Keith Rocco. We would say these are the Keith Rocco specials, wouldn't you agree?
Those are absolutely the Keith Rocco specials.
So gas can models are available on racechoice.com. And what better way to, kind of kick off summer, or kick off the middle of summer as we are already on July 5th with some new sunglasses.
And if you want to be as cool as Keith Rocco, pick yourself up a set of those gas can sunglasses on our Race Choice site for $120.
Yep. So now we're just going to get into, kind of our polished black. Some of these are the valves, I believe. So I kind of grabbed some of the same models, but with the different color lenses because, when I shop for sunglasses, I kind of, go by the lens color too.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big thing.
Speaking of lenses, though, I know, you're down on your end, but
yeah.
We do actually carry a couple of replacement lenses as well. These are the replacement lenses for the Hallbrook XLs. So we can hook you guys up with some replacement lenses if needed.
So Raspberry Rose, Black Iridium. These are female sunglasses.
Yep.
If you remember, I did a nice live episode on Facebook modeling the female sunglasses for Dave.
You look great in those, by the way.
Yeah, he said I made a good model. So we do offer plenty of women's sunglasses, all available on the Race Choice site. So, ladies, if you're looking to get a new pair of sunglasses, definitely check us out, as Andrew also has a female pair here.
That's right. So what are these ones here? So these are the Caveat,
yeah.
Right?
Caveat, yeah, polished chrome gray. So these are actually really nice.
I will say this, though. If you want to look like Tom Cruise a little bit, if Top Gun or something, you can
I think you can pull those off, Andrew.
throw these on. Yep. Check those out.
Right.
What do you think?
You can pull that look off.
How do we look? I feel like I'm about to fly one of them fighter jets like
Yeah.
Tom Cruise.
Those are cool.
Those are pretty cool. And these also come with a hard case as well.
Yes.
So that's pretty cool about that. Definitely a cool little addition.
And I think, Andrew, these are kind of Moiter style.
Yeah? Those are like the ones that Kyle Busch usually wears.
Yep. So,
Yeah.
what do you think?
Oh, Joe almost just poked his eye out.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Those are, look at you. You
Try
look
those
like
on.
you look like you're playing your outfield, like you're in the outfield playing
You
baseball.
look like a little league coach, right?
Yeah, look at that. I feel like I'm about to throw the first pitch of the little league game. Yep. What do you think?
Those are really cool. So
What's the model of those, Joe?
these are the matte
Sutro.
white
Sutro.
Prism Roads. Sutros, yep. And these are 48. That is the model 4800. And I believe some of these have a retail value on them. But just remember, keep in mind that everything you see on the Race Choice site
So about
Gets you in.
about $130 for those right there. So moving on down this way a little bit, we do have the crankshaft right here. Similar looking to the gas can a little bit, but a little bit different. I know like the sides are a little bit different, have a little bit different of a design than the gas can models.
Love the
over
lenses
there.
on those though.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. Definitely like a bronze looking kind of lens a little bit. And then right here we have the Fleck Beta glasses as well. These are kind of like a, I don't know, Joe, what color would you say that these are? Like a greenish blue kind of purple.
Remember when we raced quarter midgets and you would see people have like flip-flop paint?
Yeah.
That is, so it depends what you look at.
It's like a green, blue, purple almost.
Yeah, it depends what way you look at it.
But definitely pretty cool for sure.
And these are actually cool. These are different because these have no frame at the bottom of the lens.
So those are the thin link.
Yep.
And those, I think they call them that because they are a little bit thinner. They don't have a frame all the way underneath, so just the top frame of the glasses are holding in the lens.
In this, we actually do have a color. What's that color say? Andrew, right
What is that
on
called? So Sapphire Iridium. How about
Sapphire
that?
Iridium. That's a very nice color.
That's a great color.
And I actually tried these on before the live started, and these are actually
Let's
really
see.
nice.
Let's see it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Try mine.
All right, let's
And
see
I'll
it.
poke my eye out again.
Oh yeah, those are you.
Right?
Those are you. I like that. So for
Yeah.
$63.95, those aren't bad. Last but not least, we do have the Hallbrooks, which are, if you don't know Oakley, well, these are one of their most popular
Andrew
models
actually
that they
stopped before the live and went out to the warehouse to make sure these were on the table.
make. That's right. So these are the Hallbrook models. These are, like I said, one of the most popular models that Oakley carries. I believe on Oakley's site they retail for over $200. So on our site, these ones right here in my hand are about $85. So good luck finding these glasses anywhere else for that cheap. Good luck. It's never gonna happen. So definitely check out our site. We have a good amount of them back in the warehouse.
A lot of them, yep.
They're one of my favorite model of Oakleys as well. I know I have a couple pairs. So definitely pick them up before I keep buying them.
Yep.
So
we always want to address this before we forget. Our diecast from Pocono. Ryan Priest's signed diecast are available on the website. $49.95, I believe they are still going for. And hey, if you haven't gotten one, it's still going to enter you into a giveaway. This time, not to Daytona, but to Phoenix.
that's right.
So, and just keep in mind that the even though it is only July, that Phoenix giveaway is going to be wrapped up sometime this fall, and the race is in November.
I believe September.
Yep, September 30th is the last day to be entered. So throughout the month of October, leading up, a winner will be given, and you will find out if you're going to the west
That's right.
side of or the west coast in November.
And don't forget, by the way, free shipping on orders over $99. So make sure to spend that $99 to not have to pay for any shipping. I mean, who doesn't like free shipping?
Yeah, especially on stuff that is heavy.
That's
big,
right.
You know.
You can buy yourself a set of scales,
Yep.
which are, I believe, 77 or 78 pounds shipped. So
Yeah.
definitely,
you would know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely would want to get yourself some free shipping on those for sure. But,
So-
so yeah, other than that, back to a little racing. I know Brody Monahan was back in a legend car this past
Yes.
weekend at the Speed Bowl.
Yep.
I believe he ended up second
Yep.
on a pretty good battle with Isaiah
Isaiah
Newcomb.
Newcomb.
So
And you ended up second as well, right?
I did. I ended up second as well. We started 7th. I was looking forward to a battle with my pal Joe over here.
One
but,
caution. It was only, and the caution was for me. So.
Yep. I saw you stopped up there.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, this guy can't catch a break.
Yeah.
But yeah, so definitely wasn't a bad weekend. This upcoming weekend, obviously, Open Mods at Stafford.
Correct.
I believe it is the
GAF Open 80.
Is
yeah.
it the GAF
Yep.
Open 80? All right. So
Or
Open-
GAF. GAF.
Yep. Open 80 at Stafford this upcoming weekend. So 6 divisions of racing on Friday night. Definitely going to be cool. And then Saturday, Speed Bowl again. But this time, I won't be there this
Yep.
weekend. I will be up in Oxford, Maine with the ACT for our 6th points race of the season.
Nice. So,
So-
have you ever ran Oxford
I
before?
haven't.
Have you been there?
No.
Wow,
I haven't
okay.
been there ever.
It's a far
I've
drive.
seen it through the windshield on iRacing or through the monitor on iRacing. It is one of the toughest tracks I've ever driven on iRacing. It's very, very tough. Everyone says it's a tough track. So, but I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to a good challenge. Obviously, the points are tightening up for the Rookie of the Year with us a little bit. So hopefully we can extend our points lead in that in that sense a little bit.
Yep.
Nonetheless, I'm excited for it.
Yep. So I'll be going back to Waterford probably in a couple weeks. I know August 5th we do have a memorial race in honor of I forget who, but it is 43 laps. So we usually do 35. So what's that? An extra 8 laps.
Yep.
Are you going to be in Waterford August 5th, or do you
I
have
might.
something lined up?
I'm not too sure yet. I
Okay.
don't know. My schedule is kind of week to week. I don't
Right.
really have it all memorized.
Yep.
But
And the week after that, August 12th, is the tri-track race at
That's
Waterford.
right.
So could save it for the 5th or the 12th.
Yeah.
Always cool to run on a division where there's a division bigger than you. Because
Absolutely.
as you know, the SKs are the fame on Saturday night, but when you bring the tour mods in, those are big too.
Absolutely, for sure. So definitely going to be exciting next couple of weeks. As always, if you guys need anything brought to you, at the races, obviously I'll be up in Maine this weekend.
Yep.
So if you need anything, please reach out to Joe or myself.
Are you out
And,
Friday?
No, I
You're here?
believe I'll be here.
Okay.
So
Cool.
if you need anything brought to Stafford or Waterford or
Wherever.
anywhere, just
Yep.
let us know. Even if you're up on my way to Maine, we don't mind meeting and stopping somewhere and helping you guys out. So
Look at
please,
that. What a guy.
please reach out and let us know. We're here to help you. So reach out and let us know. As always, follow us on all social medias, like we say every week. Joe, name them off. What are the social medias?
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube,
Okay.
TikTok.
Yep.
What's
Twitter.
on? Twitter. Yep.
Okay.
That's good. I think I got them all right.
Oh yeah, I think you did it right.
Yeah.
Good job.
And while you're following there, follow me and Andrew on all of them as well.
Maybe not Joe, but
Yeah.
you know.
Well, Andrew's better at social media. He has more time on his hands.
I
you know?
try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Joe's always busy, doing all the hard
Yeah.
work and stuff. So
Busy not finishing races and whatnot. So
whatever. All right, guys. Well, that's about it. I think
Yeah.
that's all we have for this episode here.
yeah,
Stay
see you
tuned
at the
for some more good stuff, and I guess we'll see you guys next week.
yep. See you at the track.